Hey everyone, welcome back to our series on criminal justice, an overview of the system. I'm diving into section 1.4 today, focusing on the critical stages of the criminal justice process. It's a journey that begins the moment a crime is reported and moves through investigation, arrest, booking, and finally, charging. Let's unravel this complex sequence together, highlighting the importance of each step in ensuring justice is served. The start of the process. The journey through the criminal justice process begins at the pivotal moment a crime is reported to law enforcement, primarily through the active participation of private citizens. This initial step dispels the common misconception that crimes are mostly uncovered through random patrols by police officers. In reality, it's the vigilant eyes and ears of the community that play a crucial role in bringing offenses to light, underscoring the indispensable partnership that exists between the public and the police. This collaboration is fundamental to the effective functioning of the criminal justice system, highlighting the critical importance of community engagement in crime detection. By reporting crimes, citizens not only aid in the apprehension of offenders but also contribute significantly to the overall safety and security of their communities, demonstrating collective responsibility in the ongoing battle against criminal activity. This dynamic interaction between the public and law enforcement is the bedrock upon which the majority of criminal prosecutions are built, emphasizing the essential nature of community input in the pursuit of justice. Investigation. After a crime is reported, the intricate process of investigation begins, spanning a spectrum from basic on-scene inquiries to complex investigations that engage detectives and forensic specialists. The initial phase, known as the preliminary investigation, is crucial. It focuses on securing the crime scene to preserve evidence, identifying individuals directly involved, whether as victims, suspects, or witnesses, and collecting vital evidence that lays the groundwork for the case. This stage is critical for establishing the facts and context of the incident, ensuring that the scene remains uncontaminated and that immediate evidence is documented and understood. Depending on the complexity and nature of the crime, this may only be the beginning, with the possibility of a more detailed follow-up investigation looming. Such follow-up would delve deeper, employing advanced investigative techniques and potentially drawing on specialized knowledge from across the criminal justice field. This step-by-step approach ensures a thorough examination of the crime, meticulously piecing together the puzzle before moving to more advanced stages of the criminal justice process, reinforcing the foundation upon which prosecutorial decisions and, ultimately, justice will rest. Arrest. The arrest marks a pivotal juncture in the criminal justice process, where suspects are taken into physical custody by law enforcement on the grounds of probable cause. This stage is not without its complexities, particularly concerning the use of force, an aspect rigorously governed by the principle of reasonableness. This principle, significantly illuminated by the landmark Supreme Court decision in Graham v. Connor, mandates that any force applied during an arrest must align with what a reasonable person would deem necessary under the circumstances. This criterion introduces a delicate equilibrium between ensuring the safety and effectiveness of the arrest while safeguarding the constitutional rights of the individual being detained. The discourse around the application of force touches on broader themes of legal ethics, civil liberties, and public trust in law enforcement. Grasping this balance is crucial for critically assessing arrest protocols and procedures, ensuring that they not only comply with legal standards but also reflect a just and humane approach to law enforcement. This understanding underscores the importance of continuous training, oversight, and community engagement in evolving arrest practices that respect both the rule of law and the inherent rights of all individuals. Booking. After the arrest, the next procedural phase is booking, where suspects are formally processed into the criminal justice system. During booking, a detailed record of the suspect's personal information is meticulously compiled, including their name, date of birth, and physical characteristics. This phase has been significantly enhanced by digital advancements, enabling efficient photographing and fingerprinting, alongside the careful cataloging of the suspect's personal belongings. These steps are crucial for accurate identification and ensuring that all evidence and personal items are accounted for, playing a critical role in maintaining the integrity of the judicial process. Subsequently, the focus shifts to the charging stage, a critical juncture where legal minds converge to determine the specific allegations against the suspect. This decision-making process is a collaborative effort between law enforcement officers, who provide the foundational evidence, and prosecutors, who evaluate this information within the framework of legal statutes to decide on the appropriate charges. The integrity of this stage is paramount, as it sets the trajectory for the judicial proceedings that follow. The evidence must be robust and compelling, underpinning charges that are not only legally sound but also reflective of the gravity of the alleged offenses. This stage underscores the symbiotic relationship between investigative rigor and prosecutorial discretion, highlighting the importance of a meticulous, evidence-based approach to upholding justice and ensuring that each charge levied is supported by a solid foundation of factual evidence. Conclusion. Understanding the criminal justice process is key to grasping how our system responds to crime, from the initial reporting to the formal charging of suspects. Each step is crucial in building a case that upholds the principles of justice and fairness. Curious about what happens after a suspect is charged? Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore the subsequent phases of the criminal justice process, including arraignment, trial, sentencing, and beyond. Join us as we continue to demystify the path from accusation to resolution in the criminal justice system. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like for more insights into the fascinating world of criminal justice. See you in the next episode.